Today, we're going to learn how to make the school sketch to video transition in Final Cut Pro. All this can be done using the tools included with Final Cut Pro with no need to download or install any plugins. Before we start, I just want to take a few seconds to tell you about the sponsor of this video, Envato Elements. I've been using Envato Elements pretty much from the day I started this channel, and basically every video on this channel has something downloaded from their website. I use Envato Elements for background music for my videos, sound effects, stock footage for my demos or B-roll, still images for my thumbnails, video templates for my custom titles, and so much more. And the best part is everything is included for one low monthly price. You get unlimited downloads, and with their one simple commercial license, you can use any of their assets with confidence on your work or personal projects. Even if you cancel your subscription, anything you published while your subscription was active is still covered. You can try it absolutely free for 7 days, and after that, it's just over $33 per month. What I recommend though is getting their annual subscription for over 50% off, so you only end up paying $16.50 a month. Click the link in the video description, sign up for the free trial, and see how Envato Elements can help you make better videos. To achieve this effect, you'll need a video clip you want to transition, and a top-down shot of a notebook, or even just a blank piece of paper. First thing we'll do is grab a freeze frame from a video clip and turn it into a sketch. Grab your video clip and drop it down into your timeline. Move your playhead to the start of this clip, make sure the clip is selected, and press Option F to make a freeze frame clip. Select the freeze frame clip, hold down the Option key, and drag straight down to make a copy of this clip. We'll use this later on for framing reference. Press Command 5 to open the effects browser, select the Comic Looks category, and add the Comic Basic effect to your top freeze frame clip. In the Video Inspector, change the style to black and white, and adjust the available parameters to make your clip look like a sketch. Go back to your media browser, grab your notebook clip, and drag it down into your timeline, placing it between the two freeze frame clips. Resize this clip to fit your frame if needed. Select your top clip and use the transform tool to roughly fit your sketch on the blank page. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to get it fairly close. To make the sketch fit better on our page, we'll use a shape mask. Go back to your effects browser, select the masks category, and add a shape mask to your top clip. Resize and rotate this mask to line up with the page in your bottom image, and feather out the edges to blend it in. To remove the white background from your sketch clip, in the Video Inspector, change the blend mode of this clip to Multiply. Also, in my example, part of the pencil in the still image is covered up by the sketch. To bring this to the top layer, select the image clip, hold down the Option key, and drag up to make a copy of it. Add a draw mask to this clip, zoom in on your viewer window, and add control points to outline the pencil. Click on the first control point to close your mask. Command click all your clips except for the bottom reference clip and combine them into a compound clip with a keyboard shortcut Option G. Next, let's transition this clip into a video clip. Place your playhead at the end of your compound clip and go back about 5 frames. Press M to add a marker here. Go back another 10 to 15 frames, select the transform tool, and add a keyframe. Move your playhead back to the marker, turn down the opacity of your top clip until you can see the reference clip underneath, and use the transform tool to line up your sketch clip with the reference clip under it. Once lined up, right click on each control point in the viewer window and change the movement type for each of them from smooth to linear. Bring the opacity of your top clip back up to 100%. Here's what we have so far. The last thing we need to do is smooth out the hard cut between our two clips. For this, we'll use one of Final Cut Pro's built-in transitions. But before we do, our compound clip needs a little bit of extra media at the end so we can keep the timing of our keyframes. Double-click on the compound clip to open it in a separate timeline, and ripple trim each clip out by a few seconds. This will give us enough media for a transition. Press the back arrow under the viewer window to go back to your project. Press Ctrl Command 5 to open the Transitions browser, select the Lights category, and drag and drop the bloom transition between your two clips. Ripple trim this transition clip until it's about 10 frames long. Render out your timeline for this cool effect. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and share it with someone else who might like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next week.